Good morning, everyone. Giang here. So today I just quickly talk to you a little bit about. So let's just say in this video I just talk about who is the hairstylist, say hair salon owner or makeup artist. I talk about how to increase price without feeling fear, scared. Okay, I have a student ask me yesterday about. She said, hey, I just really want to increase my price, but I just scared. I just worry that the client will go and this year is really hard to find new client. Okay, she asked me, and because in my course, and I share and I teach my student that a lot of things, but this is in particular for prices. I share like this. Okay, before you put the price up, I don't care what service you are. In my opinion, I increase price many times in the year. Not wait for until the end of the year or until tax, whatever. I don't care. I just increase price. But before I put the price up, I need to think about two important things. Number one thing that I need to think that what value, what service and what value I add into there, what in particular I help my client. That's why when I think about, okay, what I help them and I need to give them more and more information, which is solve a lot of their problem, then I can increase price. You know, to me that sometimes people say like this, increase price just once a year and probably roughly about 5%. People say that, but to me, I not agree with that. It doesn't matter how much I want to increase, but I have to add more value on it. Talk about the value. For example, I am hairstylist. Okay, I work at the hair salon. I always think and listen that my client, what actually they need from me, what actually they are struggle with, what actually they just try so hard to find to solve their problem, but they can't. Then I think about that way and I just try to give them solution. For example, let's say with dry hair, right? With dry hair, people have blonde hair, they have dry hair all the time. But they try many hair care products, it doesn't work. They try many different way, natural, organic, or whatever, but it still doesn't work. So my turn, I listen my clients say to me that they try so many things, still doesn't work. I have to research, I have to, based on my experience, based on what I do, and I just research and I find out. That is, I find out 4 important things that to help my client. The thing that like to make the hair it nice and healthy is more important, that have to use the right products, have to do in the correct way and apply it enough, and when and how often to do. I share all those of things, and then my clients so happy about that. That number one. And number 2 thing that I will, after I say that, I share with all the information for my client, that they will try this and work it out how it worked for them. But then after that, what else should I add in there? I know that a lot of people struggling that they say, okay, I try to do this, but then I think because sometimes I say that, but people, they really don't know exactly step by step. Then the next step, I will make a video, I make a tutorial, I make the step by step to show them in particular way to use that to get the best result. When I'm doing that, which means, like I say, two things that number one that I'm add the value, give them a lot of way to solve their problem, to get a solution for them. And number two, when I do that way, it's showing I'm caring about my client. I always think about what is the best thing for them, care about them. So let me recap. Before I put my price up, two things. Number one, I add the value in. Number two, that I'm showing that I'm care about them. Then, because in this way, when I do that way, they can feel straight away when I do consultation, I talk to them, they already feel that I'm really care about them. That's way I say, okay, for me to do this, so with last year I didn't do this, but this year I put a lot of work in, I did give this is for you. So my price will be that much. So most of them is really happy and happy to pay because they can say that nowhere else they can find the information enough that for me to do for them. So that's why they happy and they never feel like I charge without add any value on it. So I hope this helps. So you know what, I have so many people just DM me and ask me a lot of things. So from now, I will go live more often and I will share with you some tips based on my experience. So if anyone that resonate with what I talking in this video, if you think that helpful and if you need my help, just DM me, or anything that you need me to give you a little bit, just comment below. Ask something if you need, or just DM me, so I will happy to help you. So hope everyone have a great day and talk to you later. Bye for now.